ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to bring you to the handover ceremony for the conference in the next years. And the 2022 International Conference on Power, Energy and Innovation will be hosted by Thai German Graduate School or TGGS. And we would like everyone here to witness the flag handover together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
If you're ready, yeah, let's start it together.
Wow, that's quite impressive moments.
Yes.
So we hope that to meet you all again in the next year conference. Now I can't wait. So I would like to have a representative from the Thai German Graduate School, TGGS, with me today to provide us the information and invitation to attend the ICPEI 2022 next year. Please welcome the representative.
Thank you. I hope you can hear my voice well.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And my slide as well.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, thank you very much. So good morning, honorary guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Sirindhorn International Thai German Graduate School of Engineering or TGGS, we would like to give an introduction to TGGS and invite everybody to join the upcoming ICPEI 2022, which will be organized by TGGS and EEAAT. May I introduce the key organizing members from TGGS? First, Professor Dr. Ing Nisai Phương the General Chair of the ICPEI 2022. Myself, Associate Professor Dr. Somsiri Chantrasko, ICPEI 2022 Secretariat, and Associate Professor Dr. Ing Thanapong Suwannasi, Technical Program Committee of the ICPEI 2022. So coming up is the video presentation about TGGS. So please sit back and enjoy watching.
TGGS has been born to be the role model of industry-oriented education in Southeast Asia. This educational concept is adopted from RWTH Aachen University in Germany.
So if you want to be a good engineer, you're not just a focus on a textbook, because the textbook has been done for many years ago. But nowadays everything is different. What the students have to do is ability to integrate all the knowledge that they learn from the different fields of engineers and then try to solve the problem that they're facing at the industry.
The ecosystem in our TGGS is that we work as a team, and our students will not be treated as students, but they're going to be our co-workers. So when you get the project and we do the research, we listen to them as well because we learn new things from each other. We also get the creativity and also new things from the student.
The claim of TGGS is to offer engineering education according to the German model. And that raises the question, what is the German model? I guess it's not only the curriculum of these master programs, it's more the style, it's more the expectation of the professor towards what the students have to achieve.
Since our courses here at TGGS are European Credit Transfer System equivalent, this allowed the exchange students from France, Italy, and definitely from Germany to come here and take courses or doing the research work for their master thesis. This will give the opportunity for our students to learn from the students from the different countries and share the experiences and also be a part of this global society.
So research is our main target. We need to train the young generation to be able to be a good researcher in the industry. So most of our research is industry oriented. So we get the demand from the industry and the budget is also mostly from the industry.
Well, I can definitely encourage all students to come and study here. It's a very good decision. The package here is the best you can offer to engineers, which is not only the technical quality of the programs, but this environment, which is a truly international environment, and they're all profit, they're all benefit. So yeah, I'm happy to work here. I couldn't choose a better place.
For the students, I think any kind of exchange broadens their horizons. So that is the most important part. Once you have graduated from TGGS, there are lots of opportunities. TGGS surely has a leading role in introducing those German standards of technical higher education to Thailand.
German industries have a very good collaboration with TGS, or especially TGS, because TGS is very close to a lot of German companies and to the German Thai Chamber of Commerce. And TGS has the advantage of this kind of collaboration of their students to develop their students not only within Thailand, but also beyond the borders of Thailand, especially with Germany, and here to be mentioned RWTH Aachen, which is also one of the pillars of TGGS to make it really successful and drive it on an international level.
I would say that TGGS is probably one of the earliest organizations in Thailand that try to work with the international company and also international level organization.
เพราะฉะนั้นนักศึกษาที่จบที่พระจอมเกล้าพระนครเหนือเชิงปฏิบัติเนี่ยผมมั่นใจว่านักศึกษาที่นี่ทำได้ดีมาก
We believe that the integration of industry environment into the educational process will make our graduates ready from day one to confront the challenges await for them in the industry career.
TGGS has been established since 2005. It is an institute that adopts the German engineering education methodology and standards based on the RWTH Aachen University model of graduate level engineering education. So as an industrial-oriented engineering graduate school, TGGS is committed to work closely with industries and government organizations in order to develop human resources that match the demand of future industry. At TGGS, we offer 5 study programs with 8 research disciplines. The study programs include CPE, Chemical and Process Engineering Program, MAE, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering Program, MPE, Materials and Production Engineering Program, ECE, Electrical and Computer Engineering Program, and RV, our new curriculums on Railways Vehicle and Infrastructure Engineering Program. The Electrical and Computer Engineering, or ECE, offers 2 curriculums. The first one is the Master of Engineering in Electrical and Computer Engineering, which offers 3 study plans. The second curriculum offered by ECE is the Doctor of Engineering in Electrical and Computer Engineering, which recruits both master's and bachelor degree graduates. Our Master of Engineering in ECE curriculum offers also the application for the dual degree with TGGS and RWTH Aachen University, which is the one and only Southeast Asian university which has a double degree program with Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Information Technology, or FB6 of RWTH Aachen University. So next, may I pass the microphone to Associate Professor Dr. Thanapong Suwannasee for the information on the upcoming ICPEI 2022. Please, Dr. Thanapong.
Thank you, Dr. Somsiri, for introduction. Good morning, distinguished guests and all the participants. The press for the next year conference is going to take place at the Amari Hotel in the North Pattaya area. So the hotel is close to Terminal 21 in the North Pattaya. So just across the street, we can go to the Pattaya beach. So you can take a virtual tour from the Amari Hotel website, and picture below show the grand ballroom. And we hope that we can organize the real open ceremony and enjoy our banquet time in that room. So next, please. So the next is the room for parallel session. So we have select a nice room and a nice place, and I think the space of the room fit quite well for the number of participants, and also the place for a break and so on. So the facility of Amari Hotel, you can see from the model in the middle. So it has a swimming pool and also the water park. Then we can relax our free time in that area after a long academic discussion during the conference, and just walk through the garden across the street. Then we can go to the Pattaya beach. And so the lobby of the hotel and the middle is the place that we're going to set up the registration desk and also the restaurant for our breakfast time. So it looks very nice at the Amari Hotel. Next, please. We also prepare for the alternative for your accommodation. So in the same area with Amari Hotel, the Amari also Hotel. So the price is affordable and very nice facility. So you can see the swimming pool, the restaurant for breakfast, and a very nice view from the room, and room facilities look very nice in that picture. Next, please. For sightseeing is very interesting. So a lot of tourist attraction in Pattaya, for example, like Nongnut Tropical Garden. So in that picture, so we can enjoy the beautiful garden with the nice decoration of flowers and trees, or visiting the dinosaur park that just opened a few years ago. And we can visit the Jom Tien Beach in the south of Pattaya, or the person who like to visit the temple, so they can go to Wat Yan Sangwararam, or visit the big Buddha figure at Wat Phra Yai, or even to Vihan Sien to experience the Chinese culture and so on. So some more interesting place like a Sanctuary of Truth in the North Pattaya in Bang Lamung area, which is not far from our hotel, or can visit the Buddha Mountain in Khao Chi Jan. So for the participants with kids and families, they can enjoy their time at Ramayana Water Park or Mini Siams, or take a day trip to Koh Lan or Coral Island, or even chance take time to visit the frost magical eyes of Siam as shown below. So this is our call for paper for the next year conference. We hope to welcome you all at the ICPEI 2022 next year in Pattaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, so interesting, and it's very good to participate to the conference next year. And thank you very much, Dr. Somsiri and Dr. Thanapong from TGGS. And for who interested in presenting your work next year, I have to say that you have to prepare your work right now, and see you next year. We are looking forward to have your registration, and we hope to see everyone face to face again next year.